We're all aware of the fact that the competition is extremely high in the commercial real estate market. Now, trends like millennial workforces, flexible workplaces, as well as productive environments are actually influencing operators to rethink the way they operate and even manage a facility. Now, this is resulting in many facility management companies to constantly look out for ways in which they can be a differentiator in the market, giving a huge scope for technology providers to collaborate with facility management companies to add value to their services. In this episode of FM Insight, let's find out how Facilio, a technology provider, gives a simple solution to one of their clients, Fajer Facilities Management, to gain a competitive edge in this market. We have here with us today Mr. Mohan, Facilio's Regional Business Head for the Middle East, who will be taking us through the solution that they provide to Fajer Facilities Management.
About a year ago, when we approached Fajer, we realized they are a very traditional company who've got a huge workforce, and one of the major pain points was to digitize the entire workflow, assets, all this have to be digitized. In the past, when there was a work order that is being created, the customer has to call the FM company, say that this is the issue they're currently having. The FM company has to take a note of what the issue is and assign the work order to one of their FM guys and the technician based on his availability, and he has to take a printout of this work order, go to the site, get the issue sorted, and while he is there he was not aware of what was the past history of this asset, and he had to go through all over again in terms of identifying, troubleshooting, and then sorting it out, fixing the issue, get it signed off physically from the customer on a paper, get back to the office and update the system. So we just gave them a solution where this complete workflow can be digitized. So today, when there is an issue, the work order is automatically created if it is for preventive. If it is for reactive, the moment there is an issue, the customer has a mobile phone, he creates a complaint, the work order is created, it is assigned to one of the technicians based on his availability and skill set. He gets it on his mobile phone, the alarm or the notification. He goes to the site. He has the QR codes for every asset pasted right there. He scans them, gets the complete information of the past history of the asset, and gets all of that information, gets it sorted, gets it signed, digitally signed from the customer, and closes the case there. In terms of preventive maintenance, at the time of sign-off, we onboard the complete 52 weeks calendar checklist. And when there is a work order that's being created, it's triggered directly to the technician. The technician receives the work order. He goes to the site, scans the QR code for the asset, and then the complete asset history comes up. And before starting the job, he takes a picture of the asset and then performs the job, takes a picture of the asset again, and then closes the case. And here the picture is time-stamped and geotagged. So we know that the technician was at site at that hour of the day, and then it is and the work is done within the stipulated time, and even the time can be recorded. So one of the key advantages for any FM company or a large real estate company who has got portfolio-wide buildings is the visibility. They want to know what's happening in terms of his FM, both hard and soft portfolio-wise. In what I mean here is FM supervisor will be concerned about all the cases that are open within his team members, and a FM engineer or a FM technician will be concerned about the list of cases that are open, which he has to address for today, the work orders that has to be complete within the stipulated time, and the top management level hierarchical dashboard, which shows them a complete visibility of all the cases that are open across all the buildings, and how many breach the SLA, how many are within the SLA, how many are to be closed, how long it has been open, and within what was their average closure time, all of these. So we give dashboards hierarchical wise from FM, as I said, in the technicians to supervisors to the top level C-level people, GMs. The customer has the ability to edit those dashboards. An FM engineer can actually edit his own dashboard. Similarly, the top management can, today they wanted to only know about a particular building, they can create a dashboard which is only on that building, or a particular asset has to be monitored today, they can have a particular asset that's being monitored. So the dashboard is very flexible.
We have received the ROI in terms of improved efficiency, we can say report in timely manner, and above all, if we measure the ROI, we can measure satisfaction or happiness. So we have the three key stakeholders. Okay, so stakeholder one, who is performing the tasks, who is conducting the task, that is our workforce, our technicians, their supervisor. And second category is we can say customer, for whom we are providing the services. So here we are talking about JVC, the management of JVC, they are the second key stakeholders. And third one is management of Al-Fazl. So our, we can say, engineering head, or we can say senior guys, they want to see how the things are happening. So we have categorized all these users in three parts. So each and everybody is happy. Take the case of workforce. So this is, we can say, customer happiness or the stakeholder happiness is our key ROI. And I can cite one more example. What is that? Say I'm talking about this particular, we can say, customer. Okay, so we have the three buildings. Okay, now to manage all three buildings, we place one of our senior resource for the engineering team. Now after implementing of this solution, so after 7 or 8 months, now it is no longer required. So we removed the resource from there. So in terms of, we can say, monetary way, we are also getting the ROI.
There you have it, folks. While the market is challenging, the right kind of innovation can provide you with an efficient way to manage your facility. If you like this video, do hit that like button, or even better, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such engaging content coming your way. Until next time, this is Megha Anthony signing off.